close.
She's not about it. She's trying.
They probably just walked.
Here. Okay.
Show you how fast I can do that tunnel.
I can't imagine that you don't want. They wouldn't have been in here.
I know.
So they probably watered in the flat.
Here.
Oh!
Good roar.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thinking, yeah.
She was like, I don't think this is what you actually want me to do. Good job. Once more on that side of the pedal and then try sending to that side. Here. That's okay. Good girl. Yes, good roar. Good. Once they figure it out, guys, they realize they still get the reinforcement of the tunnel. They just have to go to the other one. You come in, you still get to take the tunnel. You're just doing the other one. You do the other one. Here, go behind me. There we go. So again, the importance of doing both is showing them what it looks like to take that first tunnel out versus threadling in to take that second. Good. One more on that side. I want you to see if you can pull her in and then send her to that one. Just so she knows that I come in and then I still get to take that mouth. Yes.
All right.
Good job. One more session and she'll have